Hello guys, for today's video, this is my content creator, Noela Nandana. Okay, alright. Advance Happy Valentine's sa darating 14. Shout out sa mga nagba-Valentine's ngayong February 14. Shout out.
Sakit niya talaga.
Kilid naman yung mga hotel.
Na apps dalawa.
Shout out.
Paayos pa to.
Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
Oy, shout out dyan mga ungas.
Okay, thank you.
Why the boys?
Ikaw, word.
Advance Valentine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Amen, shout out sa mga Valentine's dyan. Ariyo. Tanungin natin to. May Valentina to. Anong sa pagdating ng February 14, sinong kabilintahan niyo?
Valentine ko, Judy, I love you. All around the world, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong. Yan, I love you all.
Okay, alright. Ikaw. ito ba? Single dad.
Marami tayong ka-Valentina.
Ay, hindi mo. Okay. Pipilian lang pala. Okay. Pipilian.
Pilihan ko pa sila kung sino sa kanila.
Hindi to. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ako, no comments. Okay. Thank you very much and watching me.
Yan ako Dante pre. Ako Dante.